One thing I will not try again is buying any kitchen equipment because some celebrities are advertising it. Rara, that thing don't show me shege. I got a particular blender that everybody was just talking about, hyping it. My eyes seeing way for that blender. I couldn't even use it to blend anything solid like your beans and all that. I used it for my tomato and the paste was not smooth. I reached out to the company and I complained a couple of things and they were like, oh, maybe I didn't set it very well. What kind of setting again? I've been using this blender, so I resorted to using the blender for only my smoothie. I don't even want to stress myself or anybody on this social media. So when I wanted to buy this processor, I was seeing so many processors being hyped online. I said, no, you people cannot get me this time around. I need a processor I will buy, and I won't need to go and buy another processor again. So I had to take my time and check out so many pages that were selling kitchen equipment to know which of the processors people were actually hyping in the comment section. And I noticed this Lexical, though it is not common, but it is a Dogu processor. This is a 13-in-1 processor. Do you know that this Lexical has an egg whisker? Yes, it has an orange juicer. Yes, you can juice your orange, your lemon. You can see it here. Very lovely. This processor also has a blender that you can use to blend your tomatoes, your pepper, your beans and every other thing. And it has a mini grinder for your dry foodstuffs like your dry beans, your crayfish, if you want to blend your egusi. You see, this processor is one of the best decisions I made for myself. It has other small parts that you can use to slice your cucumber, that you can use to grate your carrots. I forgot to tell you that this processor also pound your yam. So you don't even need your mortar again. Just get that cooked yam, put it in the processor and plug it. I love this processor. It also can pound your aku, which is your banga. So if you don't want to pound your banga to extract the oil, you can actually use this processor and do it. Guys, I am falling in love with this processor over and over again. And it has a very low noise. Like, you can use it on your generator, and that is a plus. Because here in Nigeria, it's not all the time you get to see light. Maybe when you're ready to grind something, that is when NEPA will come and show you shege. Bestie, if you want to buy anything kitchen equipment, do you know what you will do? When you see people that have made that purchase, maybe if you see a particular kitchen equipment and you want to buy it, and people are saying, I've gotten my own, I've been using it for 2 years, I've been using it for 4 years. All you need to do is slide into their DM. Ask for their honest review. Trust me, I did that for so many of this kitchen equipment and I was so lucky. People were telling me their honest reviews. People that actually purchase it, they'll tell you the flaws of the equipment. So if you want to buy something and you see someone saying I've purchased it, slide into their DM. Ask them, what do you think about this? Do you think I should purchase it? I don't know how it works. What do you think? They will tell you, oh, this one doesn't grind like this one doesn't do. They will tell you in all honesty. So you don't make a mistake. You could not come and make the kind of mistake I made. And that is what has been saving me now. Before I bought this Lexical, people that bought other processors, I tried to slide into that DM. Not even I slided into that DM, confirmed how the product was working before I now decided on what to go for. So when I saw this Lexical also, I saw other people's comments about it. Then I even checked their reviews. I went to YouTube to know if I'm going to see anything, but I didn't really see much on YouTube. But trust me, when I saw some of the reviews and I slided into some of these people's DM, they told me this is one of the best. I went for it. Trust me, and it was one of the best. I'm not marketing for this company. I'm just telling you that I bought this and it's working. If you want to buy it, go to Age Household on Instagram and make a purchase. Do you even know the funny thing? This is one of the cheapest processor I've seen. Like, the prices of others were way more higher than this one. This was the cheapest. That was even why I was scared. Like, are you sure that this nice, this cheap will be this good? Hey, but I decided to let my fear not to take the better part of me and give it a try. And I tell you, I love it. So see you guys, bestie. If it's the first time coming across my video, kindly like, comment, share and follow. If you're already a family member, thank you so much for sticking with the baby girl. Kindly give me a like and a comment. Also share my videos. Till we meet again, it's still your girl, Vivian Lucy.